Was there any such point for you when you thought of retiring? And my second question is just how difficult is it to give up a jersey you've worn for 16 years, to give up that shirt?
I don't think there was a eureka moment for me. I don't think there was this one eureka moment that said, look, this is the time and I have to go now. I mean, for each one it comes differently. For me it's come with a bit of contemplation, with a bit of thought, with friends and family. Sorry, and the second question was regarding. Like I said, yes. I mean, it is difficult. It is it is a moment, but you recognize, you know that this moment has to come to everybody. You know that. I mean, as you play international cricket, you know that there is going to be a time. You see a lot of people, greats, retire while you're playing. So you know this moment is going to come to everybody someday. While it's been difficult, while it will be difficult, I make no mistake about that fact. I've loved every moment of playing for India and playing for the Indian cricket team. I also know that in some ways it's been an easy decision as well, because I just know deep down that the time is right for me to move on.
Rahul, Ravi here from News 9 on the extreme right. Firstly, thank you for being such a wonderful entertainer. You have thoroughly entertained us for the past 16 years and possibly have been one of the better servants of Indian cricket. One question that I wanted to ask you, it wasn't really that urgent for you to retire as of today. Possibly you could have given your fans another opportunity of witnessing you in action in the middle and then maybe ended on a high, instead of just waking up one fine morning and shocking all of us by just announcing your retirement.
Like I said, I mean, I didn't wake up one fine morning and it's not like there was no eureka moment for me. I think, while I appreciate the fact that and appreciate your thoughts and kind words, I think for me, I needed to be sure that I was playing the game for the right reasons. I was playing the game, to be able to achieve great things for India, to be able to win test matches for India. I've done that for 16 years, and I feel the time was right. I know that I had a great run, and it's not like I've just woken up one morning and said, look, this is it and I'm not going to do it. I've given this some thought, and I just feel that I mean, in the end of the day, I knew that I had to go. In the end of the day, when a player knows he has to go, then he has to go, and I didn't feel the need to drag it on any longer.
Yeah, Rahul, Vimal this side. The extension to that question, was there ever a temptation to think that one more test match in front of home crowd and say goodbye in a style, like Saurav did, Anil Kumble did, on the ground?
Look, I mean, if you make a decision during the course of a series, or if you make a decision and you decide that, look, this is going to be a test match during a series, then I think then I think it's great. I mean, it's I've been part of some nice farewells, and it's fantastic. But I'd made my decision now, and I'd made my decision after the series of Australia. I'd had time to think and contemplate about it, and just to keep playing for the sake of playing one test match, I didn't think was right, and I